Hello students, today we are going to start with our new lesson, that is the lesson number 5, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? This is the lesson from the book Vistas and this lesson is by John Updike. Okay, this is a very plain lesson which is related with a story only. Okay, and it is very interesting also. The title in this title, what the title is suggests that should wizard hit mommy? So this is what a question which is asked over here, and we are going to find out what the question is related with the story. Okay, so I would like to introduce you the story, that is what John's father. Okay, John's is what a Joe. Okay, Joe's father, Jack. So these are the two main characters of this lesson. Told her a story every evening. So her father used to tell her a story every evening. Each new story was a slight variation of a basic tale. So he used to tell her a same story with a little bit variations in that story. A small creature. So what the character he was using in that story, that was a small creature, a small animal, usually named Roger. So he gave that character a name Roger. Had some problem and went with it to the wise old owl. Okay, so he had some problem, means that creature had some problem, and for solving this problem he used to go to the wise old owl. The old owl told him to go to the wizard. Then the owl suggests that creature to go to see the wizard, and wizard perform a magic spell that solved the problem. So this was what the simple story he used to tell her every evening. So Roger then felt happy and played many games with other creatures and went home to his mother, just in time to hear the whistle of the train that brought his daddy home from Boston. So that was what a plain story. The narrator wanted to impress upon Joe that the little skunk loved his mommy more than he loved all the other little animals. Okay, so this time the story he explained with the small creature named skunk. Okay, skunk is nothing but only a one small creature, that is the carnivorous one. Okay, and from America, and she knew that that what was right. So he loved his mother very and he knew that means he believed that his mother knew everything. However, Joe had her own view about the world. She insisted that her father should end the story the other way round. Okay, so whatever the story her father ended, he was not so satisfied. She was not so satisfied or happy with the end, and she wanted her father that he should change the end of the story. It was not Roger's mommy that hit the wizard, but the wizard who hit the mommy. The story involves a difficult question. So that is what the plain story, and we are going to see in a detail that what happened in that story. So I am starting with the story. It was a Saturday evening. So that was a Saturday evening, and every evening Jack told his daughter Jo a story out of his head. So that story was his own imagination, his own creation. This custom began when she was only 2 years. Now he had telling her bedtime stories for almost 2 years, means now she is of 4 years old. His story had a central character named Roger, a small creature. So as I told you before, it could be Roger fish, Roger squirrel, Roger chipmunk. Okay, so that chipmunk is nothing but only a small American squirrel is a chipmunk. Today it was Roger's skunk. So today means on that Saturday evening, he is going to tell her a story of a Roger skunk. This Roger skunk smelled so bad that none of the other woodland creatures would play with him. So the Roger skunk had a very bad smell, and because of that no any other creature was interested to play with him. They called him Stinky Skunk and they would run away. So they used to tease him about his bad smell and they always used to move away from him. Roger Skunk would stand there all alone. He used to stand and watch their play, watch their games, and tears would fall from his eyes. Joe asked if he would not see the owl. So, as usual, that Joe suggested his father that he should visit the owl. Jack said the Roger skunk walked along very sadly to a very big tree. So, Roger skunk, with a very sad mood, he walked towards the very big tree, and there was a huge, wise old owl on the topmost point of the end of the tree. So there he found the owl. It was there, and Roger skunk told the owl that all the other animals ran away from him. Okay, so Roger Skunk explained the owl what the problem he was facing. He told him that all the other animals run away from him only because his bad smell. And the owl admitted that he did so. The owl also said that he really smelled very bad. This hurt the Roger skunk, and Roger skunk cried very hard. He wanted to know what he could do, and the owl suggested going to the wizard. So, as usual, the owl suggested him to go to the wizard for the solution over his problem. So, students, we are going to stop here. The remaining story we'll see in the next part. Thank you.